Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's your journal science period and today we are going to start a new chapter, the animal world. And today's topic is vertebrates. First of all, what is classification? Due to the large number of species of plants and animals, scientists put similar animals in groups. This is called classification. Animals are classified according to their structural features, means their physical appearance. The animal kingdom are divided into vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are further divided into birds, fishes, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Invertebrates are further divided into arthropods, echinoderms, cnidarians, sponges, mollusks, and worms. Warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals are the animals whose body temperature stay the same when it is cold or hot outside. For example, mammals and birds are warm-blooded animals, which means that they can make their own body heat even when it is cold outside. Whether it is sunny and hot outside or there is a snowstorm and it is very cold, warm-blooded animals have body temperatures that usually stay the same. Cold-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals whose body temperature depend on whether it is cold or hot outside. For example, reptiles, amphibians, and fish become hotter and colder depending on the temperature outside. For example, when the sun sets at night, their bodies are cooler because it is less warm outside. When the sun is out, however, their bodies soak up the heat and become warmer. Animal cell. All the living things are made up of cells and it holds all information necessary to keep an organism alive. An animal cell are divided into nucleus, cell membrane, vacuole, and cytoplasm. Nucleus. It is the control center of cell and it controls the cell growth and reproduction. Cell membrane. It acts as a barrier and it protects the cell from dangerous things getting in. Vacuole. It contains air, liquid, or food. Cytoplasm. It helps to move materials around the cell and it also dissolves wastage. Vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with backbone, for example, mammals, birds, fish, amphibian, and reptiles. Fish. Fish breathe underwater using gills, not lungs, and they live in water. Fish have scales and fins, and they don't have hair or fur. They are cold-blooded animals and they lay many eggs. Amphibians. Amphibians live on land and in water, and they have webbed feet. They breathe with lungs and gills, and they all are cold-blooded animals. They have moist, smooth skin, and they have no hair or fur. They all have 4 legs. They lay many eggs. Reptiles. Reptiles have scales, not fur, and they have dry skin. They usually lay eggs and sometimes live young. They have ear holes instead of ears. They have 4 legs or no leg. They are cold-blooded animals. Birds. Birds have feathers and wings and they lay eggs. They have 2 legs. They have ear holes instead of air. They all are warm-blooded animals. Mammals. Mammals have hair or fur and they give birth to live young. Mammals' mother nurse their young with milk. They have lungs and need air to breathe. Mammals that live on land have four legs and ears that stick out, and they are warm-blooded animals. Types of mammals. The three main types of mammals are placental mammals, marsupial mammals, and monotremes. Placental mammals have a uterus and placenta, for example, giraffe, elephant, and bat. Marsupial mammals, the young developed in mother's pouch, for example, kangaroo and koala. Monotremes, monotremes mother has fur and produce milk but lay eggs. For example, duck-billed platypus and spiny anteater. Now students, solve this worksheet number 3. Now it's your homework time. Keep in your mind that all work should be done in your journal size copy. Question number 1 is write the difference between placental and marsupial mammals and write examples of each. Question number 2, write down 3 main differences between mammals and reptiles. Question number 3, write down characteristic features of birds. Question number 4, how do most fish breathe? Question number 5, write examples of warm-blooded animals and cold-blooded animals. That's all for today's lecture. I hope everything is clear to you. Work hard students. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.